Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign Foxit PDF documents. To begin, open your PDF in Foxit Reader or Phantom PDF. Navigate to the Protect tab in the main toolbar. Look for the Sign and Certify group, then click on Place Signature. This action prepares the document for you to add your unique digital mark, ensuring its authenticity and integrity. It's a straightforward process to secure your important files. Next, you'll need a digital ID. If you don't have one, Foxit allows you to create a new self-signed digital ID file. Choose New Digital ID File and follow the prompts to enter your name, organizational unit, organization name, email address, and country. You'll also set a password and choose a file location. Alternatively, you can select an existing ID from the Windows Certificate Store. This ID acts as your unique digital fingerprint. Once your digital ID is ready, you can place your signature. Simply click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangular signature field on the page where you want your signature to appear. After drawing, a Sign Document dialog box will pop up. Here, you can customize the appearance of your signature, choosing from various options like text, an image, or even a handwritten signature. Confirm your digital ID and password, then click Sign to apply it. Finally, after placing your signature, it's crucial to validate it. Foxit automatically checks the signature's authenticity and integrity, indicating if the document has been altered since signing. You'll see a status message, often a green check mark, confirming its validity. Remember to save your document immediately after signing to ensure all changes are permanently applied. This step secures your document and provides verifiable proof of your approval, making it legally sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.